Gabby. What are you doing? Well, I just finished making this, and this thing is called exponential. What is that? So, actually, I was about to throw that away, but do you want to throw it for me? Okay, thanks.
Stop! Don't throw that away. Why?
We can use this for biology, you know.
What is it?
Let me explain.
So, what is bioleather? Bioleather is an alternative solution to conventional leather where instead of using animal products, we use plant products. This helps with the reduce of carbon emissions because normal leather uses too many carbon stuff that pollutes our earth. How will we make our bioleather?
Well, you might be wondering what was that sticky, brown, ugly thing that the other student was holding. Well, that is actually called SCOBY. It stands for symbiotic culture bacteria or yeast, and if you add SCOBY to sweetened tea, it will turn sugars into alcohol, and then that will make the characteristic kombucha-like taste. So this is how we start our culture.
First, we need 250 milliliters of water. Then we need the Bunsen burner and matches, of course, to boil the water. Next, we have 10 grams of tea to add it to the water and 60 grams of sugar to mix it with the water and the tea. Okay, so after we finish making the kombucha, we need to dry the SCOBY. We need to take out the SCOBY from the jar. And as you can see here, currently our progress is we're currently drying the SCOBY, so the SCOBY can have leather-like textures. So we can test it if it's actually mimicking leather or not. And we can test which one is better, black tea SCOBY or green tea SCOBY. After it's done drying, we can finally see that the bioleather has been dried, completely finished. And from this experiment, we can see that the green tea is thinner, and also more elastic. Look, it can be folded easily. Instead of that, the black tea, not so much. It's more sticky, and it's more thicker. Come, show. So it's thicker here. There is some thickness instead of this one. This one's very thin. So it can be ripped off easily.
After the drying process, we then observe and test the leather. Firstly, the black tea leather. The black tea leather has a brown and is thicker than the green tea leather. It can endure up to 30 twists without creasing when folded. When it's submerged in water, it develops a white cast and a slight slimy texture when submerged. It is also easier to sew compared to green tea leather, and has an MPa, or as known as megapascal, of 2, indicating higher strength than green tea leather. While the green tea leather has a greenish-brownish color and is thinner than the black tea. It can withstand only one twist before ripping and forms creases when it's folded. When submerged in water, it rips and develops a white cast and has a slightly slimy texture, but is less than the black tea leather. It is also harder to sew compared to the black leather and has a megapascal or MPa of 1, indicating lower strength. In conclusion, black tea and green tea based bioleather have unique characteristics, where black tea is stronger and more durable, while green tea is more elastic and decomposes quickly, making it an alternative environmentally friendly material with various applications. At the end of the day, this research and its results may not impact the world yet because of its small scale, but it is a stepping stone for future work to reference on, as this experiment proves that leather can be made from kombucha, which makes it another alternative to conventional leather.